Hello everybody! Are you interested in purchasing a health insurance plan but don't know anything about it and its process? Do you want to know how to make sure you get the best plan for yourself? In this video, we will be explaining to you the basics of health insurance that everyone should know, why health insurance is important, what is the process for applying for health insurance, and which health insurance policy is best for you. Remember to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and loved ones and spread the importance of health insurance to all. Let's dive right into the video. What is health insurance? Health insurance is a form of insurance that pays for the medical or surgical expenditures of an insured person who is ill or injured. It covers the expenses incurred by an individual due to any kind of ailment or injury, or pay the care provider directly for the insured. Why do you need health insurance? Most people think that they might never need health insurance because they are fit and healthy. However, one never knows when they can be proven wrong. A serious bout of ill health often gets people in hospitals, which results in serious damage to the financial condition of a family. Sometimes, an unexpected accident or illness can cause years of financial strain and difficulties on an individual. Especially in today's day and age, where the cost of medical facilities have risen to an enormous extent, it is practical to get the health insurance plan that covers these expenses for you. Due to the rapidly changing lifestyle, there has been a tremendous rise in heart diseases, diabetes, etc. This provides us with yet another reason to have health insurance, which will help meet such expenses when regular income isn't even an option. One never knows how much an emergency would cost them. Health insurance helps an individual with the financial repercussions due to an accident or illness. How does health insurance work? When you apply to buy a plan, the procedure begins. Premium rates will be supplied based on your age, medical history, needed sum insured, and the type of plan you've chosen. In certain circumstances, you may be requested to undergo a few medical tests before the insurance company decides whether to offer you the necessary coverage or not. Once the terms and conditions have been agreed upon, a policy will be provided to you. What are the different kinds of health insurance plans that one can get? Every individual is unique and has their own set of requirements. A single health insurance plan is insufficient to meet the unique needs of each individual. This is precisely where a variety of various sorts of health insurance policies are accessible. Let us look at the 5 types of health insurance plans that you can get. Number 1. Individual health insurance. Individual health insurance policies can be purchased to cover yours or your entire family's medical expenses. Medical expenditures like hospitalization, childcare services, hospital room rent, etc. can be covered with these plans. These plans generally cover a wide range of when one buys an individual health insurance plan, they have their own sum insured amount. Assume you've purchased an individual policy for your entire family with an amount insured of $8,000. Each of you would be entitled to claim a maximum of $8,000 against your health insurance coverage each policy year. Number 2. Family Floater Health Insurance. A family floater insurance lets you cover your entire family under a single plan, and everyone shares the sum insured. Since the sum insured is shared, these plans are usually less costly than individual plans. Assume you get a family floater plan with an amount insured of $8,000 for you and your spouse. You may only make claims of $8,000 in a single insurance year. Your spouse may file a claim for $6,000 while you may file a claim for $2,000 or vice versa. Family floater plans are often best suited for young nuclear households. Number 3. Senior Citizen Health Insurance. This plan makes sure to cover the medical needs and requirements of senior citizens. Most senior citizen policies include extra coverage such as domiciliary hospitalization and even psychiatric benefits. Since older people are more likely to have health problems, these policies may necessitate a full medical examination and may be more expensive than standard insurance policies. Number 4. Critical Illness Insurance. Various lifestyle-related illnesses are becoming more prevalent. Long-term treatment and management of health conditions such as cancer, stroke, renal failure, and heart disorders can be prohibitively expensive. This is why critical illness insurance plans were developed. They can be acquired as a rider or add-on to your existing health insurance plan or as their own plan. These plans provide coverage for extremely specific conditions and frequently pay out claims as a single lump sum payment upon the diagnosis of a critical disease. Number 5. Group health insurance. In a group health insurance, a group manager can purchase the policy for a large number of people. For example, an employer can buy group insurance for all of their employees, or a building secretary can buy such a plan for all of the building's residents. These plans are reasonably priced, but they frequently only cover basic health issues. These plans are usually bought by employers as an added benefit for their employees. How can you choose the best health insurance plan for yourself? Factors to consider while buying health insurance. As we just saw, there are various types of health insurance policies available in the market. One must make sure to find a policy that works best for them and best covers their needs. Here are the top important points and factors to keep in mind while choosing a health insurance policy. Number 5. Your financial situation. When it comes to healthcare, expenses are on the rise. A health insurance policy provides some financial security. Tax break is one of the most advantageous features of having health insurance. A comprehensive health plan is the most effective way to attain long-term financial security and stability. If you do not have health insurance, a medical emergency can rapidly turn into a financial disaster. If you or a family member who works becomes ill, it's a double whammy. This is due to the fact that the sick person requires cash for health care while losing the capacity to produce an income. Almost no one can be productive when ill. Having health insurance is analogous to paying taxes. Number 4. The premium. When evaluating health insurance plans, it is common to focus solely on the monthly premiums. A monthly premium, on the other hand, may turn out to be the least of your expenses. A co-payment that you would pay out of your own pocket before your insurance can cover it could be a significant expense. This is the point at which you should make a practical decision about how much health insurance you can afford. One must not just compare premiums, but also try to find an equilibrium between their health insurance policy premium and the expenses from their own income based on one's budget. Number 3. Scout the network hospitals. Each insurance company has a different set of hospitals in their network. Ideally, search for a coverage that allows you to make cashless claims at all of your city's leading hospitals. You should also double-check that your desired hospital is included on the list. This will make the entire process of getting the desired treatments much easier. Number 2. Check the sum insured. Many insurance companies have a maximum sum covered that you can pick. If you want a large sum covered, you must choose a health insurance coverage that meets your needs. A decent rule of thumb is to obtain coverage that is at least 6 times your annual pay. If you earn $1,000 per month, seek coverage with an amount insured of at least $6,000. You should also seek other advantages. If you intend to establish a family in the next several years, ensure maternity expenditures are covered. Of course, you'll want to double-check the waiting period, as maternity benefits have significantly higher wait times. Number 1. Look for additional benefits. Given that the insurance industry is very competitive, different policies provide a variety of advantages. Some of the most popular are no-claim incentives and the return of your money insured. You should always check to see if your selected insurance coverage includes these advantages. Always seek plans that provide you with extra perks. The risk is enormous when it comes to your health. You want to make sure you get comprehensive health insurance coverage. As a result, you should choose a plan only after carefully considering all features of the health insurance plan in issue. Do not be perplexed by the foreign terminology or the wide range of Mediclaim insurance offered. Simply considering the aforementioned basic aspects will put you on the right track to selecting the best health insurance plan for yourself and your family. Once you're covered, you'll be able to relax and put your worries to rest. Having health insurance is a great boost to having peace of mind.